Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to make tomato kurma. For this, pour some oil in a pan. Here I am using Idayam Mantra groundnut oil. Once oil is hot enough, add 3 green chillies and fry them well. To this add 4 chopped tomatoes. Saute the tomatoes for 1 or 2 minutes. To this add 2 cups of water. Close and cook in medium flame until the tomatoes turn soft. Here the tomatoes got cooked well. Let us transfer the tomatoes and green chillies into a mixie jar. Leave the cooked water behind and take the tomatoes and green chillies alone. We are going to use this water later. Now let us grind this into a fine paste. The paste is ready and here is the remaining water. Set this aside. Now take a pan, pour some oil in it. Once the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of black gram. Let the mustards pop. To this add few curry leaves. Next is a quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida, that is hing, and a quarter cup of chopped shallots. If you don't have shallots, you can use onions. Cook this until the shallots turn translucent. Add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder into this. Saute this for a few seconds and then add the remaining tomato water. To this add few coriander leaves and the required amount of salt. When this starts boiling, you can add the tomato paste. Give everything a nice mix. Now take a tablespoon of besan, that is gram flour, and add enough water to make this a loose batter. Besan water is ready. Moving on to the curry, you can adjust the consistency of it by adding some water. Now add the besan water and give a nice stir. Adding gram flour to the curry will make it little thick. Cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes in medium flame. Here our tomato curry is ready. This will taste so good for idli, dosa, chapati and even rice. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.